If you have been import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this quick guide on how you can simply unfollow any store on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to another interesting quick tutorial on 1688 Chinese shopping app. In this tutorial, I will show you on how to quickly unfollow any store on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my 1688 shopping app. After you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is simply click on this icon right here to visit your profile. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the top right here. So it's going to take you right here. Here, at this point here, you see all the store you have been following so far on 1688 Chinese shop. So to unfollow any of this factory right here, so let's say for instance, I want to unfollow this particular factory. What you need to do is to simply click on this place right here. Click on here. Then this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon. And you have successfully unfollowed the store. By the time you refresh, the store will no longer be here again. So let me quickly refresh. So it's as simple as that. So you can see right here that my follow right here has reduced to 101. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply unfollow any store or factory on your 1688 Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about import from China with 1688, consider to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.